guys, Neil here, back again with another video. And today's video, I will be showcasing you the Open C5 tuning. Ooh, it is basically an Open C Power Chord tuning, as the name says. And I'm going to be showing you the features of it. So far, I have 5 strings because every time I use this tuning on my electric guitar, the 6th string or the 1st string, depending on how you view it, always snaps, and I think that's the major drawback from it, I guess. And aside from other stuff that I will talk about later, but I think it's just maybe my guitar or maybe the strings that I have in place right now. That's why it's snapping, the 6th string or the 1st string. And yeah, but it doesn't really matter because in this tuning, it's the tuning is, the notes are C, G, C, G, C, C. See how there's two C notes on the first 2 strings, or the 5th and the 6th string. So it doesn't really matter if you have the 6th string broken or the 5th string broken, because you can still use it. But it's more it's just convenient that way. Like, it's basically the same tuning as our Open C major tuning, except the last string is tuned to a C instead of an E. And basically, in terms of musical capabilities, yeah, it does what it does. You know, it's power chord tuning. You can play power chords like this, something like that. You know, and like you can play rock songs if you have distortion, like how I have just now. You can also play it with I guess, I don't know what it's called, but I think it's drone music. Like, you can make drones with this. I'll show you in a minute. Wait, I'm playing something happy, so it's more relaxing, more meditating. Oh no, I hit the wrong note. And that was just me playing around with the C major scale. I'm just playing the 3rd and the 5th strings, which is actually just C. So I'm just playing on the 2nd fret. I'm just going up the scale, going up and down the scale, basically. So it's 2nd fret to 4th fret, 5th fret, 7th fret, 9th fret, 11th fret, and 12th fret. See, I'm just going up and down from, it's just going C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. You're just going up and down the octave, you know, because I'm just playing around with this C note. This is the C. If I go like this, it's just up in C. I can go something like minor, or something more dark, like let's say C phrygian dominant, or I don't know, what's it called? C double harmonic major. So something like this. It's more dark, you know. I made a mistake. I made one wrong note there, if you notice. But you get the idea. It's you can play drones on it, like pedal tones with the low C note. It's good for, like, I guess a variety of genres, like indie, or blues rock or metal. For something simple, you know, if you want something minimal or experimental, perhaps, or even something exotic, you know, like what I just played. It was an exotic scale, you know. And tell you what, I'll play a song I'll play a few lines, not a few lines, but like a snippet of what's it called? A bass line from Heard It Through the Grapevine. It goes like this. But instead of the bass line, I'm playing it as a power chord. So it's like, so it's on the 0. This is an open string, open chord, open C, and then 3rd fret, open, 3rd, and then 2nd. That's it. That's all it is. That's the bass line, and I turned it into a riff or something like a chord, power chord progression. And another one is Smells Like Teen Spirit by Nirvana. It was like this. Wait, I'll put the distortion on. You get the idea, you know. It really depends on what you're after. I think for the most part, I don't recommend this if you're like if you're playing mainly on standard tuning, but I recommend it to you if you're just wanting something easy, something new, something different. And for me, it was the most fun tuning. It's the only tuning I've ever that's ever stuck to me, you know. And I find that really great, you know, because the tuning I like as well is drop D. I like it, but the only thing I don't like is that noise from the 3 last strings. That's why I prefer this, because the whole 6 strings is just open. It's just it's just a power chord, you know. That's what I was after. I just lost it in my head. And yeah,